Are you tired of unwanted audio and video calls interrupting you while using the Messenger app? In this short tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to turn off audio and video calls on Messenger so that you can have peace of mind when using the app. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone, then scroll down and tap where it says Privacy and Security. So now what you want to do next is tap where it says Microphone, and then toggle off Messenger. And now Messenger won't have permission to use your microphone. After that, go back and tap where it says Camera, and then toggle off Messenger. So now Messenger won't have access to both the microphone and the camera, which will disable those features completely. If you don't want to completely disable these features, you can always mute people that annoy you on Messenger. To do that, exit the Settings app and open up the Messenger app. Then tap on their conversation. Tap on their name at the top left. And then simply tap Mute. And then you can mute them for 24 hours or until you change this setting. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.